Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Eternal Pyramid in Last War. In this video, we'll be showing you how to get the Eternal Pyramid in Last War. Now, before we begin, keep in mind that this item is quite rare, and the chances of getting it for free are pretty low. Some players have reported that it occasionally appears in the black market, but with a very low refresh rate, so your best bet is to check the black market regularly. Another potential source is the season store, where the Eternal Pyramid can appear during specific seasons like the first or second season of the game. For those willing to spend, you can also purchase it directly through special bundles that include the Eternal Pyramid alongside resources or other bonuses. Keep in mind though, the specs don't appear often. Once you do the Eternal Pyramid, you can upgrade it using decker components found in your inventory. While it's not always available, make sure to keep an eye on both the season store and the black market for your best chance to grab this rare and stylish decoration. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.